Hi guys, today I will show you how to make pickled radish. You need 2 pieces of radish, peel them, and cut them into thin slices. Be careful when using the knife or peeler. Put the sliced radish inside a clean glass bottle. Now prepare the pickling dry. You will need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of vinegar. Add 1/2 teaspoon of whole peppercorn, and if you want it to be a bit spicy, you may add 1 pinch of chili flakes. Put the saucepan over medium fire and stir until it simmers and the sugar has dissolved. Carefully pour the brine over the radish. You may use a wooden spoon to let the brine flow through the mix. Once cool, cover and refrigerate. The pickle stays best after 2 to 3 days and will last up to 2 months inside the refrigerator. Pickled radish is a good source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and copper. It is best eaten as a side dish or with sandwiches, wraps, and salads. Thank you. Bye.